In this video, we will explore the process of requesting pricing for a product on Shopping Hub that does not have contractual pricing. From the navigation bar, select All. Search for Shopping Hub. Select Shopping Hub Home. From the menu, select Categories. Search for the product you want to purchase. For example, select Novelty Paper from the list under Paper Products. Select the product you want to purchase. Click Request Pricing or Info. In the side panel, select the checkbox for I need a quote. Enter the reason for your interest in purchasing this product. For the question about contacting the supplier, select No, I haven't. Enter the purchase quantity. For the delivery time option, select As soon as possible. Choose to a saved location for the delivery address. Click Submit Request to complete the form submission. Your request for pricing details has been successfully submitted.